how to restart your iPhone when the touch screen is not working. So if your touch screen is frozen or it's just not responding in general, then I'm going to show you how we can go in, restart our iPhone and go and fix this frozen screen issue. Now you can do this with a simple key combination, and all we need to do is come over to the left hand side of your iPhone and you need to press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then you need to hold down the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. So I'll do this with you now so you can see exactly what this looks like. So we're going to tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold down the lock screen button on the right hand side. And you need to continue to hold this button down on the right hand side until eventually the screen goes black. So you're going to see the slide to power off message. We're just going to ignore that and keep holding the button down. Even when the screen goes black, you can continue to hold this button down. Eventually, the Apple logo should appear, and that's when the phone will restart and your touch screen should now be working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.